Hello everyone. In our last video, we have programmed the RoboCat. We turned its head and then we wagged its tail. I'll just repeat that program, what we wrote. Did set up the motors, then we moved the left motor thrice. Once clockwise, second time anti-clockwise, and then again clockwise. And the time center to left was 1 second, left to right was 2 seconds, and right to center again was 1 second. And then we stopped our left motor. Then we rotated the right motor for 3 seconds and then stopped the right motor. So that was the program which we did. Here the speeds were 200, 200 and 200, and that was the program we did in our last video. Now this time what we want is moving of the head and the wagging of tail should happen simultaneously, which means the moment I start moving head to one direction, the wagging of the tail should start, and the moment movement of the head stops, the tail should stop wagging. Now let's see what I said just now. I said the moment head starts moving, tail also starts wagging. And I know this is the command which starts the wagging of the tail, and this is the command which starts the movement. So I'll put them together. So they start together and they should stop together. They should stop together. What about this weight? We don't need this weight. But you'll ask me, there is no weight. The right motor weight is gone. No. These three weights are now applicable to right motor also. Because the right motor starts moving here, all these actions are happening. Till that time, right motor continues to move. And it only stops here. So which means it will stop after 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 seconds. So the important thing we need to know is that wait delays the next command. So this wait, this wait, this wait, these three waits are going to delay the stopping of the right motor. And hence the right motor is going to move continuously for 4 seconds. And that's a very, very simple program for making the cat move its head and wag its tail simultaneously. It does sound a little difficult to understand. Spend some more time on this. Try to understand that these two commands are starting at the same time, whereas the left motor after 1 second is changing the direction, after 2 more seconds again changing the direction, after 1 more second it is stopping, and then right motor is stopping. So right motor is taking this much time in between. All this time it is moving. It has no other action than to move. Do this program, try it on your robot, and if you have any doubts, if you have any comments, please do put them in the comment section below. We'll come with the next session in another video. Till then, bye bye.